Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix speaker not working issue after updating to iOS 17. So guys, many iOS 17 users are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, they are facing an issue of speaker that their speakers are not working properly and they don't know how to fix this. So guys, if you're also facing this type of issues and you're looking for a fix, so you're in a right video. In this video, I will tell you how to fix a speaker not working issue after iOS 17. So guys, first is first. First of all you have to do is check silent mode and your volume. Ensure that your iPhone is not in silent mode and the volume is turned up. You can check the physical switch on the side of your iPhone to make sure it's not in silent mode. Also adjust the volume using the volume button or from control center. After this, then you have to also check your Bluetooth. If you have connected your iPhone to Bluetooth device, speakers, earphones, etc., disconnect them to ensure that sound is directly to their iPhone speaker. Swipe up from the right corner of your screen to open the control center, and from here you can toggle off the Bluetooth. After this, then you have to do is clean the speakers. Dust and debris can affect the speaker's performance. Use a small, clean brush or compressed air to gently clean the speaker grill. After trying these and is still facing, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. So you have to open your settings, go back, go to your general, tap on shut down your iPhone, and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. To do this, you have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is simply reset your all settings. To do this, you have to scroll down and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, after trying this all solution and the issue is not solving, then you have to do is contact Apple support. If the problem persists after trying all the steps, it's advisable to contact Apple support. There might be a hardware issue that needs professional assistance. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.